Hey there, ladies and gents. So today I'm coming to you with a Taste Test Wednesday, and today we are doing the Kit Kat Chocolate Frosted Donuts flavor Kit Kat. I do have my taste test buddy here.
Hi, everybody.
And yeah, so they just look like this. I've already broken it. It's like 4 Kit Kats, of course.
Like a donut.
Yeah, it does. They always do, actually. To me, they just always do. They are two-tone color, like a, donut.
They taste like a donut. They're crispy, so don't expect it to bite into it and bite into a soft, gooey donut, but it tastes like it, I think.
Slightly. I think the wafers are really what helps make it taste like a donut.
No, not necessarily. No. I think there's something in the bottom layer. It's almost,
Two-toned in coloring and the flavoring in the center.
it's almost like there's a tiny hint of caramel
That's it.
and butter.
That makes more sense than what I was thinking. Because to me, it was like a little bit of, coffee.
Yeah.
Like it has that oily, not oily in a bad way, but oily in the, the frying point of when they fry the donuts.
The donuts aren't always fried. Some of them are air baked and some of them are
Well, I'm thinking the old-fashioned ones, the
oil.
ones that...
They be cooked in oil. I think that
like the old-fashioned ones that come from... The ones that would be, instead of the ones that have the chocolate glaze on it, it makes me think of the ones that, if you're from the Midwest, you know what gas station I'm talking about, but Quick Trips. Old-fashioned glazed donuts. That's what it makes me think of. Not really the chocolate.
not so much a lot of chocolate. Would that be kind of like maybe a latte? I don't know what latte usually
Yeah.
flavor. It's good though.
Yeah, it's really good. U.S. is catching up with Japan on fun flavored Kit Kats. I actually saw the limoncello or lemon one come back this year too. So the lemon Kit Kats that we tried a couple of years ago, they came back in this form. So yeah, that was pretty good. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.